today I'm here with Exploring with Aish, Kaylee Colston Explores, and Dave. We're here today to visit a World War II bunker. Let's go and see what's in store. Wow. This place is a lot bigger than I thought.
It's massive.
In a World War II bunker today, guys.
Oh, wow.
Absolutely. Actually, I think it's even higher than a metre and a half. Sorry, half a metre. If you think about it, look where the walls are. And around there you've got all the control room where all the panels are in.
Wow.
Bloody hell, this is so cool. I don't recommend it though.
Pretty deep, isn't it?
I've only been in here, what, 4 minutes, and I already don't recommend this.
Yeah, you can smell the diesel.
Yeah.
The floor's really weak as well.
Wow.
Yeah, there we go, guys. It's bigger.
You can see all the fuel where it's just
Yeah.
sitting. It's how
Oh
tall
my
it is
God.
from the back. Sitting on the wall.
Wow.
Really deep, that.
That is deep, yeah.
This must be like, say, the control room part.
Wow. This is crazy. Really did not expect it to be this big.
So this place, in 1991, was used as what was it, like a police force, wasn't it? Yeah. And then, in 1991 they stripped it, and in 2001 this place was actually sold off. And ever since it's just been derelict, they haven't done anything with it. So yeah, since 2001 it's been abandoned. There's oh my god!
Yeah, there's a hole over here as well, Kaylee. I'd get off there.
Yeah, you need to be really careful where we walk.
Yeah, this floor's a bit soft.
In a building, this is one most likely to fall.
I do not want to fall into that, what's down
Yeah, I
there.
was going to say, you'd probably die. If you went into a lunch, you'd probably
Ugh.
die. Yeah, as I say, guys, I'm going to leave a link below for all the history because there's a ton of it. I'm also not recommending that floor. Can you guys see? Jenny, the NH?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's really bad.
I don't know if this is safe. We'll try it. Yeah, don't go near that corner. That corner's had it.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my God.
Bloody hell. Yeah. Straight down to the floor. In there.
Very strong, isn't it, smell?
Oh.
But this bunker, I know it's used for a certain reason, but I don't know what the reason was. I can't remember the actual purpose behind it.
Yeah, I'll have to do some research.
There was a purpose.
Oh my God.
Be careful of that.
Yeah.
Going through there.
Yeah, obviously, as I say,
This floor,
history in the description.
so dangerous, guys.
How deep? That's all the way up there. Right on that line.
Oh my goodness.
Just so deep.
Yeah, that is very deep. It's deceiving, isn't it? But you can see that it's deep. Wow.
That's obviously part of the control room. Opposite side from where it was before.
And that's the floor there, guys. That's obviously supposed to be across here. Wow. This floor is really dodgy, guys.
Oh yeah.
It's soaked with diesel. I'm just thinking about that floor.
Yeah, I know. You can see it on there, kind of glazing off the torch.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if that's
Wow.
There is the other side, so we'll walk along the other
Yeah,
side.
I
But
think it's safe for
yeah.
this side.
yeah, if we cut back through that bit, then that's our starting point, wasn't it, through here?
Yeah.
Was it? No, it wasn't. No, I don't recognise it.
Crazy. You see the water on the floor bouncing off. You can see it's soaked.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear it under my feet, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, guys, but this floor is soaked. Some sort of couch there.
So a massive thanks to Gavin and Harry for this.
Table.
As I say, they have worn bits.
Not sure what's around the corner, but
But they are pretty sensitive, so safety for content.
You just can't believe the state of it as well. It's just been
Yeah,
really bad.
yeah, it's an awful condition.
yeah, people have smashed all the walls up.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just saying, like, even though it's been abandoned since 2001, you wouldn't expect it to look this bad, would you?
No.
Like, I've been to buildings older than this and they look better.
Like an old World War II bunker.
Yeah, unfortunately. It's not in a good state. Still good to see though. I've not been to a place like this before. Wow.
Wow.
You okay, yeah?
It's maybe gone in there as well. Right, so.
Yeah.
Not really focusing on the camera right now.
See, I thought some of it was fire damage, but
No.
a lot of it's not, is it? It's
It's just rust and
damp,
mould and
yeah.
damp. It's just been like it for years. You can't make it, I think it's concrete though.
Okay.
It's not a big area where you can stay the sofa.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's on there? Oh, that's the control room, isn't it? You guys okay?
Yeah. Good, thanks. Cool, look at the mould on this sofa.
Concrete, but it's all a bit rust of it all as well, that's the thing, isn't it?
The worst thing is the smell.
Yeah, it's a smell.
I can't go over this, it's horrible. The staircase there as well, what does that mean?
That is downstairs.
Is that also flooded, that bit?
It's
It's crazy. Makes you wonder actually how it started a leak, you know?
yeah.
Obviously something
It's
didn't just do it
right there,
itself.
isn't it?
Yeah, you can see the froth on the top of it.
Yeah.
So obviously something else has been mixed in with it for it to have that frothy sort of effect. Oh my god. Where do you want to go, left or right? We've got men's toilets, or we can go that way. Where do you fancy? Men's toilet. Okay, let's go.
Go for it.
I'll let Dave go first. Obviously just the film, that's the only reason. Because obviously he's not going to get anything.
I swear it's flooded. Won't be going down those stairs.
Really spongy on this bit, Jenny.
Okay.
Big, massive open bathroom.
It's concrete though. Big water tank. I think that's what it is.
There she is! That's becoming a running theme now, guys. Every time I see myself, I have to remind
More
me.
stairs here.
Toilets.
More stairs?
Yeah, you can see the these and
More
stuff better
toilets.
here.
What's in there? Oh, another small bathroom, probably disabled toilet.
Oh,
Look at
nasty. That is
Oh my
nasty.
god. Do you know what, for all the money in the world, I wouldn't go down there.
No.
You don't know what's stuck in underneath all that and mixed in with it.
Yeah.
Definitely got some.
Yeah, I'd say God knows what's in there. And there's ladders there.
Yeah. Must be safety ladders.
No, there's leaving something up there, isn't it? Or is it? Oh no, it's for the boiler.
No,
Yeah,
there's
it's for behind.
padlock there, you don't do it.
There's something behind it that they obviously.
Oh, is it a water tank or
Yeah.
something?
Yeah, there was
Yeah.
a water tank.
We
like,
walked
must be
past it, yeah.
Yeah.
See the works there, yeah.
Wow.
Right, so yeah, I was saying there's a bathroom. There's got sockets as well. Covered in rust. All the walls just. Is that drywall? Oh wow, that's really
think
neat.
so.
We don't have drywall over here. We do.
Or is it just plasterboard?
No, I think it's actually drywall.
Oh,
Enjoyable, cool.
Have you seen this bell as well, guys? It's really old bell.
No, I haven't seen that. I'll come and check it out. The toilets are in a bad state, aren't they?
boiler in there, yeah. We've been smashed up.
Mould down to the ceilings.
Not much left of the toilets, guys.
No.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not bad.
So look at this alarm that Kaylee's pointed out. Very rusty.
Old fashioned as well, we don't get those anymore.
I just heard
Oh,
that
yeah.
water under your feet.
Yeah.
Sounded
Big old
horrible.
alarm bell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, just slipped.
You know, smelling chemicals like this actually makes me feel so
Yeah, it's gone stronger again as you come out here.
It's so strong, it's actually concerning. What was that room? That was just, oh that's the, yeah, behind the control panel area. Fire exit. Can you replace Dave?
Okay.
I don't want to get spooked or anything, it's I just don't look up on there. So,
Place is like a maze.
It is, isn't it? There's so many rooms.
It's just so rusted and damaged over the years, though, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's been
it's
left.
really bad. It's all people's names on the wall over there. Gonna navigate over here. I think this floor's concrete as well. Oh, that sounds disgusting. A lot of people's names here.
I know one of these floors are incredibly dangerous.
There's a load of names on it. Yeah, look.
I'm going to go around this way, guys, so I don't miss these rooms out. Old rusty radiator. Shutters. Obviously a way in. Total. More stairs.
Oh god, that is oh yeah. All the roots and that from outside have come in and left it in an atrocious state. Oh my god.
These spongy things on the floor.
They're the installation, aren't they? Installation blocks.
Yeah, they're like spongy things.
What you got there? Anything else? Oh yeah, look, no smoking. Yeah, we bloody clocked
I'm
that.
not sure what this was. That looks like, is that not urinals?
That's a urinal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I thought it was. Never tried blocking it off.
Oh.
Strange. Yeah, it is a urinal.
Oh, there's a spider.
More names there.
Hmm,
An extractor fan.
very strange.
Oh yeah, yeah, those are my names.
Could be a kitchen, cooker.
No, I really don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure what this could have been.
Cookery. Socket.
Boiler in the
Yeah,
cupboard.
there's another stairway, flooded, and then yeah, that's the water. Don't know, like oh, I don't know what to see that is. Like,
No,
yeah,
strange.
some sort of system.
Oh, look, there's more names there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're filthy. Yeah, as I say, guys, for you lot watching, if you know any of this that we're filming, feel free to put in the comments. It's always nice to know bits about this place. Or even if you haven't been to this place for yourself, but you might know what that thing is around the corner, let us know. It's always interesting.
Another water tank. The ladder's actually down on this side.
Yeah, another water tank up there.
It's strange that they've blocked these urinals off, isn't it?
Yeah, it's strange. Well, why they blocked them up?
Very weird. Oh,
It's definitely a strange place, isn't
it
it?
is, yeah.
Never been anything like this.
I really wish these rooms had some sort of like.
Labelling.
Oh wow, that vent's got an air compressor. Look. At least I thought I felt some fresh air then. God, that was actually really nice. Look at that socket, that's so old. Wow. You know, guys, look at that. I have not seen one of those. Oh, my HD. Oh, my camera. Sorry, guys. Yeah, look at that socket. It's crazy. Oh. Move it away.
Cool. Let's get in and have a look at this socket.
This is a really old one, isn't
wow,
it?
that is an old one, isn't it? Hello. Socket, light switch.
Yeah.
Smash that room together. You actually start getting a little bit of vertigo around you. You're not actually, I can't actually remember how we got
This is
in.
where we can smash.
Oh yeah. Is it that bit? Yeah, I guess. Tell you what, I bet that'd be terrifying if I done that. You can't. He's big enough to stand that, obviously. I bet that would be absolutely terrifying. And the answer is no, I'm not doing it. Jog on, springs to mind. Did we go through there?
I don't think we've been through that yet, no.
No.
No, we haven't. There's like, wow.
See that? Look.
Oh wow, the floor's completely gone on this
Scale
side.
from Helen, week 8. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? 1.13.
No idea.
It's a place like this, you just wish someone was with you that knew all this stuff.
Mm.
It's interesting.
It's seen better days, isn't it?
Yeah. See right down to the bottom.
Right down there.
more stairs over here.
Overrides, so it should be operated on. Have they been?
Really small.
It's crazy.
Yeah, you should put your head around there, that's where we, big room and what.
Maybe not. Oh my God.
What is that in the water?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a I can't think of the name of it.
Yeah, all the
Like
cameras
a
make me
generator
feel
thing.
No, I don't know if it's a
don't know.
generator, is it? Because there's a wheel thing at the top there. What's this, guys?
What's that?
There's a wheel thing there. I don't know what that is.
I can't work out what it is.
Can't work out what that is.
Is it like one of those little like trailer things, those little buggies that they might carry
It
stuff
could be,
around?
yeah.
I don't know. I'm just taking a guess, like a little trolley.
It's hard to tell because it's sort of.
It's very big though, actually. It's,
Yeah.
that's what I'm thinking. That can't be like half a metre deep actually, because look at the staircase, how big the steps are versus the machinery down there. It's got to be deeper than that.
I think it is deep because it's halfway on that door as well, isn't it?
Yeah. There's at least
No.
one step under the water because I can see the step.
Oh yeah, and the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There might be another
I think
one or
there's at
two.
least 4 or 5 steps,
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Really?
Yeah,
Do you think it's
definitely.
really that deep?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely deeper than
Well,
that.
actually, it's got to be because if you see that handle's there, you know, to climb up it,
Yeah.
you've got to have at least another 2-3 steps at least.
Yeah. It's mad, isn't it?
Wow, it's a lot deeper than I thought
It
then.
is a lot deeper.
Please sign
It's in this bit there.
No, I'd really like to know what this was actually solely used for. It is the description, but as I say, I put it in after the video. I've got a habit of doing that. I don't get a history before I go.
Right there.
It's nice, isn't it? Look at those eyes, guys. Whoa! I think it's fair to say, I think this is quite explored, isn't it?
Yep.
There's not really much. We're all blinding each other. We're all But yeah, no, I think that's pretty much it, isn't it? We can't go downstairs, obviously.
Unfortunately not,
Got a
no.
big old crane here, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Big
Obviously
winch.
pull something, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Which is obviously down here, that goes up to there, so.
Yeah.
comes all the way
Did we
up
miss
to
anything
there.
here on our entry?
I don't think so. I think it's just that dead end room.
No, big old steel door. Yeah, get into the safe. Yeah, God, the fresh air. It's still not even fresh, is it? Like, we've still got the diesel. Like.
Okay guys, so I think that's the World War II bunker done. On to the next location now. Everyone who I was with today, their links will be in the description below. Please go and check their channels out. They've got some great content. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.